Hello everyone, good morning to English class. Students, as I have told you that in the next class I will give you the detailed explanation of the chapter, the story of cricket. So today I am first going to explain the summary what I have given in the last class, and then I will show you some pictures. Okay, so our story starts with the history of cricket. What is the history of cricket? Cricket is one of the forms of the many games played with ball and bat in England from past 500 years. Means cricket is not the new game. Cricket is one of the games of England in which ball and bat are used. Okay? It is evolved as a distinct game around the 17th century, and initially during the mid of the 18th century the bat used to be like the hockey stick, curving outwards. Okay, this game introduced in the whole world because of England in 17th century. What is the meaning of 17th century? 17th century means 1601 to 1699, or you can say 1601 to 1700. Similarly, 18th century means the time from 1701 to 1800. So this is the way to call the centuries. This means we are living in 21st century, because this whole 100 year going to complete 2100. Still we are having the 2021. The today's year is 2021, and when the 100 years will be completed, the figure will be 2100. So we are living in 21st century. So this was the dating system of a history. But today I have to explain the history of cricket first. So the bat, the former bat, the first type of a bats were curve. Curve means round from the outwards. Bottom was like the hockey stick, and the test matches played in cricket are the only format of any game that is played for 5 days and can still end in a draw. See, here one thing is given, that the test matches, still India is playing a test match with England in Ahmedabad, and today is the second day. Okay, and when I am recording this, I was recording this video, so it was the first day of a day night, and still the test match is day night in Ahmedabad, played between India and England. So this was the thing, and cricket has only the timing that it can run. The test matches can run for 5 days and still end in a draw. Draw means, what is the meaning of draw? Draw means without getting any result. Another interesting aspect of a cricket is that the length of the pitch is 22 yards, but the size of the ground is not specified. Okay, the length of the pitch is fixed, which is 22 yards. Okay, but the size of the ground may be oval. Oval means like this way, may be circular like this way. Wait, the shape of the ground may be circular like Firuz Shah Kotla in Delhi, and may be oval like Eden Gardens in Kolkata. Okay, so there is no fixed shape of the cricket grounds. Okay, now rules of the cricket, sorry, not the rules of cricket. Rules about cricket were first written around 1744, And before 1744 there were no written rules. It gave the umpires to power to resolve any dispute, and first time umpire got some power to resolve the disputes. Okay. And next thing is, it is specified that the stumps to be 22 inches high. The height of the stumps were fixed for the 22 inches, and the bills across them to 6 inches. Bills means the top bills should be put, gilly would be put of 6 inches size. The ball weighed about 5 or 6 ounces, and the distance between two sets of stumps, mean the pitch, would be 22 yards. The first cricket club came into existence in Hambledon in 1760s. The first leg before law means LBW law. LBW type rules were introduced in 1744. It was around the same time that the third stump became popular, and before that there were no use of third stumps, but the third stumps were put in 1744. By 1780 the matches were played for the 3 days also, and first 6 seam ball was also introduced in the cricket game. Okay, so students, there is a question that what is a 6 seam ball? 6 seam ball. 6 seam is the size of the ball. Suppose this is the shape of ball, then you can see that the stitches, like this way, stitches are on the ball. And if the number of stitches line is 6, then that is 6 seam ball. So first time 6 seam balls were used in cricket. Now we are going to discuss and understand the equipments of cricket. Wait. We are going to understand the equipments of cricket. So the most important equipment associated with cricket continues with a handmade still today. All the equipments what you see in cricket, like pad, gloves, ball, bat, everything is handmade. This is the best part of the game, that all the equipments, even wickets, everything are handmade. They are made of natural and pre-industrial materials. The bats are handmade of cork, leather and twine. Only the protective equipments like pads, gloves, helmets uses synthetic material, but they are also the handmade things. Okay, or you can say the semi-industrial things, semi-industrial made things. Okay, cricket was first played in India, in Bombay, by the Zoroastrian. Zoroastrians are the caste who believes in uh, uh, the different type of religion in which fires are worshipped. Okay, they were Parsis and Parsi community. In India, cricket is introduced by the Parsi community and the Zoroastrians. The Oriental Cricket Club, founded in Bombay in 1848, was the first Indian cricket club. Parsis had to open their own gymkhana following a quarrel with the whites for Bombay Gymkhana. Actually, that time English people were ruling in our country, and because of that, there was a dispute between Parsis and English people, and for that, there was the Parsis had opened their own cricket club and stadium. Okay, in 1889, the Bombay Gymkhana team was defeated by the Parsis team. Means the English cricket team was defeated by Parsi cricket team. Students, you have seen a movie Lagan, and in that movie it was shown that it was shown that an Indian cricket team defeated an English cricket team. And who was the captain of that team? Actually, there was not a captain, but indirectly there was a captain, Bhuvan, and that role was played by Amir Khan. And the name of the movie was Lagan. Okay, so now moving to the modern cricket, what you see on the screen, TV screen, or you have seen on stadium. Modern cricket is dominated by test and one day international formats. Some of the great players who made cricket internationally popular. CK Naidu is one of the that kind of player, and he played the first test match, and he was the first test captain of India. Presently Virat Kohli is the test captain and one day captain also. Okay, and before Virat Kohli, there was Mahendra Singh Dhoni, and he was the one day and test captain both. Okay, in 1932, many years before it got its independence, India's independence, test cricket initially was played among the various parts of British Empire, not between sovereign states. Okay, sovereign means the free states. So when there where there was a British Empire, only those places cricket was introduced. The first test was played between England and Australia. First test, 5 days match was official. 5 days match was played between England and Australia. Television coverage has brought cricket to every household. Because of the television, cricket is so popular. With satellite television, it is now possible to catch live updates of matches played anywhere across in the world. Because of the live telecast, we can enjoy the cricket sitting in the home. India has the largest viewership of the game because it is very popular in India. Cricket is very popular in India, and even people of India forget that their national game is hockey, and they just mad behind cricket. And when 2020 games had been introduced, and the games like IPL and the other type of Ranji and other games had made so popular Indian cricket, and the people of India are mad behind cricket. Even some people says that in India cricket is a kind of religion. Okay, so it's a largest viewership and the largest market for cricket. Yeah, largest market of cricket in India. And 150 years ago, Parsi ancestors had started playing cricket in India, and today Indian cricketers, Indian cricket players are the world's best paid and famous cricket players. So we can be proud for the acceptance of cricket in India. And students, here the stories summary. And wait, I am showing you some pictures. Yeah, student, this is the image of a cricket ball, and you can see the seams. These stitches are the seam, and this is the image of stumps, and these are the bells. Okay, see, this is the first Parsi team in India, and you can see this image in your book also. These type of images has been given in the book, and I am just sending you showing you these images from internet. Okay, and during the 1760s and 1770s became the common to pitch the ball, and before that, the bowlers bowled अंडर आर्म मीन्स जैसे हम लोग बच्चों को देते हैं ना बॉल खेलने के लिए नीचे से, उस टाइप से. एंड आफ्टर दैट 1770s द बॉलिंग वॉज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड ओवर द आर्म. ओवर द आर्म मीन्स राउंडिंग योर हैंड and leaving the ball from the top of your body. So it was introduced. So these are some pictures which will help you to understand. See the images of the present bat. See the 6 seam ball. This is the 6 seam ball. See the 3 stitches in this way and 3 stitches in this way. This is the 6 seam ball. Okay, and see these are the equipments like pad, and this is the condition of the LBW, and this is the height of the wicket. So students, these are the images. Read the story and this will be helpful for you. Okay, and have a nice day. In the next class I will send you the question answer. Have a nice day. Enjoy.